Hello everyone, welcome today in the daily newspaper of Tuesday. Yes, it's Tuesday, December the 8th, 2020. We have here only a one regular Sudoku, and this one, let me position the camera. Yes, this one will be number 1984. Yes, let me check this. Yes, it's 1984. And before I start with this Sudoku, I always count the printed digits. There is also in this newspaper an additional with extra Sudokus. I believe there are 4 of them. 8 extra Sudokus. I will do 4 of them. Let me count first. 3, 3, 4 will be 10. 10, 12 plus 3 is 15, plus 3 is 18, 20, 23, plus 4 is 27 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudokus in the additional, this will be a 1 star Sudoku. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see which number shall I pick. How about the number 8 in this column, 8 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in the 8 in the last row, 8 in that row. So on the row between, the only place for an 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so on the row below, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in that column, so the column between, the middle column, the only place for an 8 should be there. 8 in the third row, 8 in the second row, so in the first row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see it an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can't see digit number 1. Then. How about this row? 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 9 and the 2. We have a 9 and a 2 in this big square, so no 9 and a 2 in those 2 boxes. The 9 and the 2 goes in these 2 boxes, 9 and a 2. We see there 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. The other 2 numbers in this row for the numbers 6 and a 5, 6 and a 5. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 7 and 3, 7 and 3. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. And the 7 goes there. And then 3 in this row, 3 in the third row. So in the row between, only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Then. Can I continue with the 3? No, I cannot continue with the 3. How about the 7? 7 in this row, 7 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. Then let me see. The 5 in this row, the 5 in that row. So in the middle a row, the only two places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in that column, so the column between. Only place for a 5 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 5. How about these three numbers in this big square? One of the missing numbers is 6. We see there 6, no 6 in those two boxes. One box left for the 6 should be there. These two boxes are reserved for the numbers 4 and 7. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Then 7. All right. How about the number 296? These three numbers are reserved for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, and the 4. 1, 3, and a 4. 1, 3, and a 4. 7 and 6. That means the other 3, so the 1, the 3, and the 4, 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4. That means the other 3 should be the 6, 7, and the 9. 6, 7, and the 9. Those three numbers, 6, 7, and the 9. We see there 6, no 6 in those two boxes. We have a 6 here. So one box left for the 6. It should be there. These two boxes should be reserved for the 7 and the 9. 7 here, 7 there. So this should be a 7 and this should be a 9. Two boxes left. The 9 and the 2 are missing. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 2 goes there. Two boxes left. This big square, the 1 and the 6. Let me mark those two numbers. 9 in this third row, 9 in second row. So the first row, the only place for 9 should be here. 9 in the third column, 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for 9 should be here. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only two places for the 9 here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next, the middle column. So in that column, the only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Two boxes left in the last row for the numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4, I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. How about those three numbers? The 2 is missing. The 5 is missing. We see here 5, no 5. The 5 could be here, could be there. And the 6 is missing. Cannot fill this yet. Not yet. But one of the four missing numbers in this big square is a 7. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place for a 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row above, only place for a 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 2. How about the 3 now? 3 I need, and 3, yes, 3 in this column, 3 in the last column, so the column between, only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here, 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row above, only place for a 3 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 4. Let me mark those. I cannot fill this yet. 1 box left in this row for the number 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1, and this should be a 4. 2 boxes left in the middle column. The 2 and the 6 are missing. 2 and the 6 cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 1 box left in this column for the number 1. 1 in this column, 1 in the last column. So the column between, the only place for 1 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row below. The only place for a 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. Now we have a 1 here, so this cannot be 1 anymore. This should be the 1, and this should be a 6, and all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 3. 1 box left in this big square for the number 4. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place for a 4 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 2. 1 box left in the middle row for the number 6. 1 box left in this big square for the number 2. 1 box left in this middle column for the number 2. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 6. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 5 and 6. This should be also 5 and 6. Let me mark those. 1 box left in this row for the number 5. Now we have a 5 here in this big square, so no 5 here. This should be a 6. Now we have a 6 here, so this cannot be 6 anymore. This should be a 5, and this should be a 6. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 2. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square, 1, 2, 3, the 4, and the 6 are missing. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe, and hit that bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you later with the extra Sudokus in this daily newspaper. See you then. Bye bye for now.